In this video I will show you how to fix the repost option is not available on your TikTok. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. If it's not updated, update it. Maybe that's why it's not showing. If you still don't find it after updated, you have to go to the settings of your phone. And after that you have to click on the apps. Search for the TikTok. Click Storage. You have to clear your data and cache. After that you have to log into your TikTok account again. Maybe it will start working, but if you still won't find it, it means this feature is not available in your country.